Hi, I'm going to show you how I apply the Velvet Advanced Night Repair. But just as a reminder, all of our products work together to not only slow the aging process, but also give your skin a more youthful appearance. So in the evening, you cleanse with Pure, followed with Afterglow Skin Rejuvenation. Then you apply the Velvet Advanced Night Repair. So you want to use the spatula when you are ready to apply. Just get a small amount on the spatula and apply it to your fingers and spread it evenly. Then you're going to apply this to your face the same way as you apply the daily moisturizer, using upward sweeping motion to apply on your face, neck, chin, and forehead. Now you are ready for bed.